they'll really study if it is the right fit for any of our exporters here. But as far as a digitalization, possible digitalization strategies, I would suggest for at least for the Middle East market, really capitalizing on social media marketing. Because I'm like really surprised, like the top soap brand, the top cosmetic brand in the UAE is a brand. Well, I'm from the old school of brick and mortar na, you know, the MNC brands, and even I'm still part of the Likas Papaya old school na yun yung top of mind mo. But actually it's called Brilliant Skincare. It's very social media driven. It's very oh ayan, nag-drop na ako ng brand na dapat
Are you here, Brilliant?
But anyway, so that's an anecdote on how you know, this e-commerce, social media marketing. It's really important. Actually, it will catapult you beyond, you know, beyond the reaches of ano, like I mentioned, UAE. There are more. Sometimes the basket of brands is more complex than what you would find in the supermarkets here.
Here. Okay. Thank you, Maggie.